In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to speed up a video in OpenShot. By the end, you'll know exactly how to fast forward a clip to 2x, 4x, 8x, or even 16x speed, which is perfect for time lapses, quick demos, or trimming long footage into something snappier. First, open OpenShot Video Editor and make sure your project is loaded with the clip you want to speed up. You should see your clip sitting on the timeline in the editing panel at the bottom of the screen. That's the area with the tracks labeled along the left, and your clip will appear as a colored block on one of those tracks. If you can see the clip in the Project Files panel but not on the timeline, place it on a track first so the change applies to the right place. Now move your pointer to the clip on the timeline and right-click it. Be sure you're right-clicking the clip on the timeline, not the preview window or the Project Files panel. A context menu will appear. From that menu, hover over time, then choose fast, then forward. You'll see speed options like 2x, 4x, 8x, and up to 16x. Click the speed you want. Think of 2x as making the clip play twice as fast, while 16x will race through it 16 times faster. The higher the speed, the shorter the clip duration becomes on the timeline. Once you select the speed, OpenShot applies the change immediately. You'll notice the clip compresses in length to reflect the faster playback. Drag the playhead over the clip and press play to preview the result. If it feels too fast or too slow, just right-click the clip again and repeat the same path. Time, fast, forward, and pick a different speed. If you want to revert to how it was before, you can undo your last action with your usual undo shortcut. Keep in mind that only the clip you right-click will be affected. If you have multiple clips you want to speed up, repeat the same action on each one. Also, if your clip has transitions or overlays, double-check them after speeding up. Because the clip becomes shorter, you might want to nudge adjacent clips or transitions so everything lines up neatly. And that's it. Once you've picked your speed and you're happy with the preview, you're done. You've successfully fast-forwarded your video in OpenShot without any complicated settings. This simple approach keeps your timeline clean and helps you create dynamic, concise sequences quickly. Thanks for watching, and enjoy speeding up your edits with confidence.